What up, Rip?
Top_youngboy
I
3800.
took the top out that G. My word to God forever going against the odds until the day that I'm beat. I say, Father, I'm so caught up in these streets, and I'm not stepping in no church until the day I'm deceased. I pray that my soul you keep. Hold up, hold up, I said that right to my class, you better. Hopping that, yeah, stepping on the pedal. Clip fully, yeah, tearing through the metal. I prefer jacket over Gucci sweater. I'm buying crosses only for the better. In the ghetto preaching like I'm a reverend. Money flopping, you gon' need a vendetta. Yo, trap, bitch, I could turn her to Griselda. Make her pick it up and drop it out. She fuck up, cut her throat. If she do it right, I show her shit she never seen before. Can you pull up the night? Cause when we fuck, I love how you go slow. Stupid bitch can't knock in at the trap like what slimeto at. Real street nigga never been a lame. I keep that fucking strap. Rob that bitch a nigga out this shit for he can't even cap. Post up like big bank that backstreet shit and I got hella racks. These hoes don't love me, yeah. Young nigga live and die in the street. Lost soul, lost child, yeah. Come take a ride through the north with a nigga like me. Pull up in that new edition, I say I deserve it. This for everybody, hurt me, every bitch they ever curved me. Try to kill a nigga, zip this partner, they say he deserve it. These niggas really think I'm worried, do the bitch low down and dirty. 10 grand on your bitch, I spin it, I'm making it bank. Whole lot of races up in the back. On the top, then I hit from the back. Conversating, I ain't really in that. Interrogation, you could give me a mat. Steady playing, but I like how she act. So I pull it out like, is you fucking with that? These hoes don't love me, yeah. Young nigga live and die in the street. Lost soul, lost child, yeah. Come take a ride through the north with a nigga like me. Niggas just don't know that I'm texting all these hoes. And these hoes won't ride with me, but these hoes can't ride for free.